This oil filter is a little tricky to replace, but here's a guide to help you change it much easier. It's located down here. The induction pipe needs removing to gain access. There's a few pipe clips that need unclipping to remove the induction pipe. Once the pipe has been removed, you will be able to access the oil filter cap, using a 27mm socket and a long extension to remove. There's a little gap between the headlight and the body. This is where the extension will go through. Once removed, the filter and seal can be changed. Once the oil has been changed, the new oil filter can be refitted in reverse order. Keep checking in for more upcoming videos. Did this video help you? Leave a comment below. Here's more 500 videos. Please, like and subscribe.